If AutoCAD ever made you feel like you're solving a puzzle instead of designing a space, you are going to love what I am going to show you. Hi everyone, I am Kritika, an architectural illustrator and educator, and today's video I'll walk you through my favorite Rayon design. A design tool that's like AutoCAD but simpler, faster, and built for collaboration. I have been testing it for a while, and honestly, it makes so many small but important tasks so much easier. And if you're new here, make sure to check out my previous tutorials on Rayon design. I'll be linking them up here. And don't forget to check out the link in description box for free student account, and I'll be adding the link to a free template so you can walk along with me. Let's start by opening Rayon Design in web browser. Just click on the first link that appears, and here we are on Rayon Design website. Right at the top, you will see the option to either try it for free or download the app. I am going to download the Windows version. You can also have the option to work directly in your browser. I have already installed the app. Now I will open it and log in with my Gmail account. As you can see, I have already started working on a project that I love how easy it is to create walls in Rayon Design. It's much simpler than drawing line by line like we do in AutoCAD. Just select the wall tool from the bottom toolbar and start drawing. To change the wall style, simply use the eyedropper tool from the right-hand side panel. Select an existing wall and the new wall will adopt its thickness, texture, and style. It's super fast and efficient. Now, let's move to the library on the left. Rayon Design has extensive collection of doors and windows. All you need to do is search for the element you want and drop it into your plan. I am adding a window here, and as you can see, it's completely customizable. You can move it around, stretch it to resize, and use the properties panel from the right hand side to adjust every detail. I will continue adding all the doors and windows I need in the same way. Next, I will use the zone tool from the bottom toolbar. As soon as you draw the closed walls, Rayon Design automatically detects the area and label it. For example, here it says Zone 17 along with square meter areas. You can fully customize each zone, add a solid fill, hatch, or even upload image texture. There are plenty of options, and you can transform the zone by adjusting opacity, scaling, rotating, all in just few clicks. Once all my zones are in place, I want to create a table to summarize the areas. You will find the table option. Just click on it, select the zones you want to include, and hit plus icon. Now I can display details like zone numbers, areas, or height. It's super helpful, especially for large-scale projects. You can quickly view everything in one organized table, which is one of the reasons I prefer Rayon Design over AutoCAD. Another feature I love is the bucket tool. You will find it at the bottom toolbar. From the right-hand side panel, choose a color or texture and then simply click the area where you want to apply it. This is perfect for creating a colored presentation plan. As you can see, I have added color to the bed, chair, plant, side table, and it really brings the drawing to life. It's fast, responsive, and there's absolutely no lag. I genuinely enjoy working with this tool because it makes customization so easy. If you want to create mood boards or inspiration layouts, Rayon Design lets you do that too. Just go to the left-hand side panel, click on the three lines, and choose the import option. Here I have uploaded a few images that I have saved from furniture websites. I can arrange them to create a mood board, material board, or reference collages. It's a quick and effective way to visualize ideas. Now, let's talk about the canvas type. Currently, we are working on the model canvas, but if you want to create a technical sheet or presentation layout, you can switch to a paper canvas. Just go to the canvas panel, click on the plus icon, and select the paper canvas. From the right-hand side panel, set the orientation, format, and scale. I have chosen 1:1 here. To add a view from the model, click on the plus icon on the left-hand side, then select view. I will choose the scale 1:125 scale. Position the view. Make sure to disable the zoom from the bottom toolbar. Preserve the scale, then select the view, click override and use the edit point options to neatly crop or frame the view area. This is incredibly useful when preparing presentation drawings to export at specific scale. On the left hand side, you can see all the layers used in your view. You can toggle them on or off based on what you want to display. For example, if you don't want the furniture visible, you can simply hide the layer. Now, I'll make a copy of this view to add more sheets. Just use the command Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Once duplicated, double-click, use the pan tool to change the area being shown on the new sheet. And that's it. You are ready to create a full presentation. At the top, there's a present option. Click on it to run a slideshow of all your sheets. What's amazing is that you have created and presented everything all within Rayon Design. And finally, at the top right, there's the share option. You can share the file with your team members and assign access roles: viewer, editor, or admin. You can even share libraries, templates, or full presentation. It's great for collaboration, whether it's with teammates or client. Just send them the link and they can view your project instantly. So, if you are someone who's tired of AutoCAD workflow and wants something light, fast, and collaborative, Rayon Design is worth trying. And if you're one of my students or subscribers, you know I only recommend tools that I have been personally tested and believe in. Before you head out, I quickly want to update you guys that Rayon Design has launched their community. It's a space where you can ask questions, share ideas, suggest few new features, download free templates, and stay in loop with all the updates from Rayon Design. This one is a game changer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing. Bye bye.